Hi there. In this video, I'm going to go over exercises targeting mostly the quads and hamstrings and triceps. But as with most Pilates exercises, it's usually all of them are full body. So the core, as we call it, the powerhouse, is always being challenged. And for this series, the entire series, the lower the springs on the cactus, the harder the exercise. So a true challenge, a very impressive challenge, if you can do the entire set with just having one spring on the bottom of the cactus. I'm going to keep mine on 2 and 2. The first exercise is challenging the quads, mostly the quads, but quads and hamstrings and the glutes. So I'm going to start with my left leg. Have the left leg in external rotation. Press the left heel, left ball of the foot onto the chair. Spread the left toes apart. Arms are going to be out in front. And then the right leg is being kept straight throughout the entire exercise. And also pay attention to keeping your back straight as well. And then let's do 8 of this set. So the goal of the exercise is pushing the paddle down and then lifting it up for 8. Exhale as you go down and inhale as you come up. And 2. And also keep the hips in level and also keep them facing forward. And that's 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. The next is the left leg is bent and then the right leg is bending and straightening for 8 and keeping the back straight, keeping the hips level, facing forward. So that is 6 and 7 and 8. And let's have you come up. It burns a lot in the quads. And then switch side. Same thing on the opposite side. In this case, the right leg is in external rotation. Press the right heel, right ball of the foot on the chair. Spread the right toes apart. Left leg comes on the paddle, the back of the paddle. Hips stay level. Hip stays facing forward. Spine is straight, arms out in front. The first part, go down and then come back up for 8. Push the paddle down, exhale, and inhale as you come up. And 2, inhale, and 3, exhale, inhale, and 4, exhale, inhale, and 5, exhale, inhale, and 6, exhale, inhale. Also, don't smash the paddle down and control it on the way up. It's all about control. Pilates call this contrology. 7 and 8. The next part is bending and straightening the left leg. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And come up. And shake it out. And then switch side again. So for this part, is you're going to push the paddle down, lift it back up, and then take the foot off the paddle, challenging balance, and really helps to strengthen the glute medius. So left leg is turned out. Press the left heel, left ball of the foot on the chair. Spread the left toes apart. The right leg comes on the back paddle. Push the paddle down, hip is level, hips facing forward, back is straight, and then lift the right leg away for 8. Push down, lift it up for 2. And 3. And 4. And 5. And 6. And 7. And 8. Same thing on the other side. Right leg pressed in, right ball of the foot pressed in. Spread the right toes apart. The left leg comes on the back of the paddle. Arms out in front, hips level, hips facing forward. Spine is straight. Go down. Control it on the way up. And lift the left leg away for 8. 1. And 2. And 3. 4. Challenging balance and coordination. And 5. My right side is a lot weaker. And 6. And 7. And 8. And shake it out. The next part, I'm going to turn the chair. I'm not going to put myself into a compromised position. For those videos, follow me on my OnlyFans. I don't have an OnlyFans. But so, for this part, heels together, toes apart, spread the toes, toes come on the foot pedal, hands out to the side, spine is straight, lift the butt away, squeeze the shoulder blade together, bring the spine into extension, and short range, but bend and straighten the legs for 8. This is for coordination, for triceps, for core, for hamstrings. And I don't know, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And either rest or bring the heels close to the butt, push the chair away, and tricep dips. So push down and back up for 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And rest. The next and last exercise is bringing the ball of the foot on the paddle, keeping the legs parallel. Bring the hands in the back of the chair. There's 2 variations here. The easier version is lifting the butt away. Spine is straight, squeeze the shoulder blade together, and bending and straightening the legs here. The harder part is if you fold your butt out, squeeze the shoulder blade together, look either straight ahead or look up, and butt is pushed out, and bend and straighten your legs there for 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And rest. Bring the butt back on the chair. Keep your spine straight. One more, actually. Last one. Because it bends really into this set of exercises, tendon stretch. So have the arms out to the side. Bring the heels on the chair, on the foot pedal. Straighten your knees. Look at your hips. Keep the knees straight. Push the chair away with your hands. And lift the paddle. And then push it back down for 8. Lift it up and push it down. And 3, this is very hard. And 4. And 5. And 6. And 7. And 8. And then now rest. That's really it.